In 2016, images appeared showing a cluster of three giant pyramids in Antarctica. People claim that these ancient pyramids were built by a known civilization about 100,000 million years ago, when the frozen continent was located near the equator. Some are wondering whether an ancient civilization created the rocky pyramidal structure, and others are pointing towards outer space, speculating about the involvement of aliens. According to website, recently Google Earth satellite imagery discovered a constellation of three snow-covered pyramids in Antarctica. Scientists and researchers are admittedly rather taken back. Two of the three pyramids are about 10 miles inland, while the third is directly near the coastline. No research has ever mentioned a civilization in Antarctica, much less one with the technological knowledge how to construct pyramids. So how did these pyramids get there? That answer requires a look back in time. The alleged pyramids were estimated to be 4,000 feet high, nearly 10 times higher than Egypt's Great Pyramid of Giza, the pyramid by which all other pyramids are judged. Proponents of Antarctica conspiracy theory say that we will have to entirely rewrite human history in order to explain these pyramids. Believers of this theory have pointed to certain areas on Google Maps of Antarctica that for some reason are blurred out. This is wrangled into a proof that the government is trying to suppress evidence of the pyramids. Scientists are still trying to figure out how pyramids in Egypt were built, which were built at around 4,500 years ago. Pyramid-shaped mountains are not rare; they are known as horns, and their shape is caused by a natural erosion process. These kinds of mountains can be found in Switzerland and Iceland. Scientists say that these three apparent pyramids are nothing more than normal old horns or other mountains. But the scientists are saying that the idea of pyramids, which were constructed about 100,000 years ago, doesn't have any actual evidence, and the idea for evidence of these pyramids suddenly emerging in 2016 is also false. Apparently, British explorers discovered one of the three mountains back in 1912, and they made a note of it. They even called it Pyramid, and there has been pictures taken of this particular mountain ever since. Still, these pyramids appear as a mystery.